Salut, Knock Knock TV en direct de Los Angeles. C'est le salon des guitares vintage. Il y a beaucoup de choses à voir, il y en a pour une semaine à tout détailler, mais bref. Là j'ai deux petits modèles, une petite 00, Martin 0028 très rare, Sunburst. Elle est pas très chère, 99 500 $. Enfin on va dire 100 000 $ quoi. Sinon il y a une D28 de 1939. Pas très cher, 79 500 $, fait à peu près 79 000 € on va dire, en arrondissant. On va aller voir d'autres trucs. Une Gibson là, magnifique, une J35 de 1938, 14 000 $.
Salut, bienvenue dans Knock Knock. On est avec Joe Bonamassa au Guitar Show. How's it going, Joe?
It's going good. I do a display every year here for my friend Larry Briggs, and it's fun. I don't go to the NAMM show. I go do this vintage show. So this is what happens to all the instruments after the NAMM show when people get rid of them. So.
Do you come here every year?
Well, as a collector, I come here every year but in the last 4 years, we've done a display, and I think it helps get people in the door, and they like to see some stuff that they don't normally see me play live, or just interesting guitars.
Do you know now today how many guitars you have today?
Just a tick over 400.
400?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
And how many amps?
Just a tick over 400. I got about equal. About 400 guitars, 400 amps. The problem is with collectors, sometimes it's just guitars or just amps. I unfortunately got bit with the bug with guitars and amps.
Okay. I have 59 flame top.
Nice.
Yeah, 00206.
Okay, you got it. Okay. I used to own 00211.
Okay.
So those double O's usually have double white pickups, but
no, it's black.
Double blacks. That's great though.
Yeah, and gold serial.
Nice. Shoreline.
Sorry, gold one.
Nice.
Yeah. Well,
so we all carry pictures of guitars like on our phones, right? That's like
we do with our kids or whatever.
Yeah.
well, thanks a lot, Joe.
Nice to meet you. What an honor. How many times have you been on? What's that show? Tata.
Yeah. He was on it last January 2017.
We did it one time. It was great. It was fun.
Yeah.
Really.
It's a good place.
You were in Paris yesterday.
Thursday. Yeah.
How did that go?
It was great. It was a gig with Beth Hart, and it was fun.
Cool. Well, thank you so much, Joe. It's such an honor.
Yeah, I'd be honored. Come on, man.
Thanks.
That was Blake. Where are you from, Blake?
I'm from Atascadero, California.
And you play the sax when Nono as a backup player, basically.
Yeah, exactly. I think he's the main deal, but
he's the main deal, and you're the backup.
Exactly.
Player.
Exactly. Yeah, this is the man.
Thanks. Thank you so much, Blake. Take care.
À Los Angeles, NAMM 2019. On est sur le stand Savarez.
Je ne sais pas au NAMM combien il y a d'entreprises qui ont quasiment 250 ans. C'est vraiment une grande fierté d'avoir toutes les cordes, on va dire, pour quasiment tous les instruments.
On est tout simplement sur une maison familiale, on en est la 6e génération.
Wow.
La société a été créée en 1770, donc on va fêter quand même nos 250 ans dans 2 ans. ce qui est important de dire aussi, c'est que dans le bureau de Cyril et Bernard, il y a un sceau du roi, voilà, autorisant à l'époque Savarès à utiliser les boyaux des animaux pour faire les cordes, puisqu'en fin de compte, c'est vraiment l'évolution des matériaux qui ont permis, en fin de compte, au fil des années, de faire des cordes.
Alors on fait des cordes pour tous les instruments de musique, donc on a beaucoup travaillé sur les harpes, on a aussi beaucoup travaillé sur le remplacement du boyau parce que c'est une matière qui devient compliquée à travailler, compliquée à trouver. Donc aussi on a énormément travaillé sur le violon, la guitare classique.
Après aussi, ce qui est important de dire, c'est que Savarez, effectivement, s'est vraiment développé sur la partie classique pour aujourd'hui être le meilleur, enfin le leader mondial sur les cordes de classique. Et après, pour aller sur l'électrique ou même maintenant l'acoustique, voilà, il a fallu aussi qu'on passe ce pont-là avec, avec des artistes aussi. Il faut aussi trouver les artistes dans ce milieu-là. Parce que ce qui est important aussi, c'est que les cordes, comme le disait Cyril, elles sont faites avec les musiciens. Et c'est ça qui est important et ça a toujours été la marque de fabrique de Savarez, ne serait-ce dans le classique, c'est où on a travaillé avec eux. Ils nous aident à chaque fois à nous aider à améliorer la sensibilité, le toucher, la brillance, voilà.
Yes. Madame Christie, s'il vous plaît. Mademoiselle Christie.
Well, we've got a trumpet playing in the background.
Okay.
We've got saxophones, all kinds of things.
Cool.
All playing in different keys at the same time.
Thanks a lot, Christie. Cyril, merci. Merci beaucoup. Philippe, merci. Merci Savarez, merci à tout le monde, merci à toute la team, toute l'équipe qui est là, Laurence, Patricia et tous les autres. Hein.
Hi, how's it going?
Hello. He's got a camera and a microphone.
Exactly, wow.
I think this is my maybe 25th NAMM show,
Wow.
so I've been here many times.
Okay.
Yeah, since I was 19 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, I have a very exciting new amplifier. It's the PT15IR. It's a 15-watt, 3-channel tube amplifier, but it has a built-in SIR reactive load, which is sort of widely regarded as one of the best in the industry. And then it's also got built-in impulse response loader. So for going direct to front of house or the monitors, and because it's got the reactive load built in, you don't have to use a speaker cabinet if you don't want to, but it's a tube amp. So it's unique. You can just unplug the speaker cabinet and just go, you can listen with headphones if you want to. You just want to turn some knobs and get a great sound and then have some of the features of the digital boxes that give you an easy way to go direct and that kind of thing, and also play at low volume. This is the amp.
Wicked, thanks a lot.
Cheers, thank you.
Enjoy the show.
Cheers. Vive la France.
What I'm representing here is X-Vibes wireless systems. We have a wireless device for microphones, and we have wireless devices for bass guitars, ukuleles, keyboards.
And does the wireless system come through your antennas?
Yes, you have to be me in order for it to work 500 feet away from your amplifier. No, just kidding. You can be anybody, and you can have your guitar work 500 feet away from your amplifier. It's amazing. For NAMM special today, for $120, you can get it at NAMM. But if you're on Amazon, for $154, you can get it on Amazon next day if you're Amazon Prime.
Cool, well check it out. Thank you very much, take care, have a good show.
Il y a un véhicule là de secours, c'est pas par hasard. Attention, là, zone risquée. On rentre dans le domaine des batteurs. Je vous laisse apprécier la mélodie. Attention, là ça va groover là. Là ça groove là. Là ça groove là.
This is a Murat de Rio 24-inch Dark Series.
Do you only play cymbals or do you play drums as well?
Yes, I'm an endorser. I'm a drummer from Brazil. I'm endorser of Murat de Rio cymbals.
Chico do Brasil.
Do Brasil, exactly. Brasileiro.
Brasileiro?
Brasileiro. Viva o Brasil!